Opening a Ubank account in Australia can typically be done online. Here's a guide. Visit Ubank's website. Go to the Ubank website and navigate to the section for opening an account. Look for options like Open Account or Join Ubank. Select account type. Choose the type of account you want to open. Options might include savings accounts, term deposits, or transaction accounts. Fill out online application. Complete the online application form with accurate personal information, including your full name, address, contact details, and identification details. Verify identity. Ubank may require identity verification. Follow the instructions provided, which might include online verification processes or uploading documents. Review and submit. Review the information you provided to ensure accuracy. Submit the online application. Wait for approval. After submission, Ubank will review your application. Once approved, you will receive confirmation and account details. Access account. Once your account is active, you will likely receive information on accessing online banking or mobile app services provided by Ubank.